Children, welcome to the new video of mindful learning. Now today I am going to discuss section A, first four questions from the sample paper which we are discussing. We have already discussed section C. Now I am taking first four questions of section C. So let's start. So let us start with question first of section A. It is based on inverse trigonometric function, as you can see. So let us see the solution to it. It is sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse, in bracket you have minus half. So first we will solve this value, sine inverse of minus half. Let us have a look at the solution. I am finding this value first, sine inverse minus half, put it equal to x. Then your sine inverse goes to your right hand side, it becomes sine x equal to minus half, and after that we know sine pi by 6 or sine 30 degree is half, so it becomes minus sine pi by 6 sine x. I can write minus sine pi by 6 as sine of minus pi by 6. क्यों लिख सकते हैं? Because we know the formula that sine of minus x is equal to sine x. That's why. So we get the value on comparing both the sides. We get the value of x as minus pi by 6. I am going to put it in this expression. It becomes sine pi by 3. This entire thing was x. इसकी वैल्यू हमने ऊपर से माइनस पाई बाई 6 कंप्यूट की है. सो पुट इट ओवर हेयर. It will become sine pi by 3 minus minus pi by 6, because the value of this expression is minus pi by 6. Minus minus add हो जाएगा and see what do you get. It becomes sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6, which is equal to sine 3 pi by 6, which is pi by 2. Sine 90 degree 1 होता है. So our answer to the given question is, let us see which option number is this. So that is our option number D. Answer is 1. So now let us come to question number 2. Let us see what it is. As you can see, it is based on continuity of the functions, right? So two values of fx are given to us, which is 1 minus cos kx upon x sin x, और दूसरी वैल्यू जो given है वो है 1/2. Now one important thing which you have to observe here is, read the question very carefully. It is k स्ट्रिक्टली लेसर देन ज़ीरो. के की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आएगी. इस चीज़ को आपको ओवरलुक नहीं करना है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका आंसर डिसाइड करने में. माइंड दिस थिंग दैट के इज स्ट्रिक्टली लेसर देन ज़ीरो. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व. वी विल फाइंड आर व्हेन डज अ लिमिट एग्जिस्ट. व्हेन इज अ फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस? व्हेन लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन. अब हम इसकी लिमिट कैलकुलेट करते हैं ज़ीरो पर. So let us see how we do it. It is limit x tending to 0 fx equal to 0, because f function is continuous, so limit of function at 0 will be equal to value of function at 0. Put the values. f0 is given to us as 1/2. क्वेश्चन में f की वैल्यू 0 पे हाफ गिवन है, और when x is not equal to 0 the value is this 1 minus cos kx upon x sin x. Now we will use trigonometric identities. We know 1 minus cos kx can be written as 2 sin square kx by 2. कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज़ की गई है यहाँ पे? It is 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. It should be learnt, right? And it is used very frequently in your derivatives and continuity. तो अब आपका ये आइडेंटिटी यहाँ प्लेस हो जाएगी. 2 sin square, ये आपका a था, इसका आप हाफ कर दोगे. It becomes 2 sin square kx by 2 upon x sin x, and it is equal to 1 by 2. Now what happens over here? I need kx by 2 in denominator. हमारे पास एक आइडेंटिटी होती है लिमिट सॉल्व करने की, जो होती है लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0. We have one identity which I want to apply here. Limit x tending to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 1. To apply this result, I need to have, to apply this result मुझे डिनोमिनेटर में kx by 2 चाहिए, और यहाँ साइन स्क्वायर, साइन इज ट्वाइस, so I multiply and divide numerator and denominator by kx by 2 whole square. kx by 2 होल स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो दैट इट डजेंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस टू द एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ आई विल सिंप्लीफाई इट. वी डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय kx by 2 होल स्क्वायर. You will come at this simplification, look at it carefully, you will get expression like this, sin x upon x. नीचे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में kx by 2 आ जाएगा और यहाँ आपका होल स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. नाउ आई विल डू द सिंप्लीफिकेशन. यू विल सी एट व्हाट कैलकुलेशन आई अराइव. टेक योर टाइम टू सॉल्व इट बाय योर सेल्फ. अपने आप सॉल्व करोगे, things will become more clear to you, then you can match your answer from here. Keep on simplifying, do the cancellations. You will get, take constant outside, 2k square upon 4, limit x tending to 0 sin kx by 2 upon kx by 2 whole square into limit x tending to 0 x upon sin x equal to 1 by 2. Now what do you get? On simplification, दिस लिमिट, ये वाली लिमिट आपकी 1 हो जाएगी. द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस लिमिट विल बिकम 1, 1 स्क्वायर इंटू 1 विच इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2. You will get 2k square as 1. On simplifying, k is equal to plus minus 1. But it was given to us in the question. आपको ऑप्शन में k equal to plus minus 1 दोनों मिलेंगे, but you have to read the question very carefully. It is given k is strictly lesser than 0, so your answer is k is equal to minus 1. So you will find this answer in the option, and this is your option number B, which is minus 1. आप देख सकते हो प्लस माइनस 1 भी है. मैनी ऑफ यू विल बी टेम्प्टेड टू मार्क दिस एज आंसर, बट यू विल गो रॉन्ग. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रीड द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वेरी केयरफुली. फाइन. नाउ लेट अस कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन मैट्रिसेस. अगेन रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. अब यहाँ पे क्या गिवन है? ए आई जे 1 0 व्हेन आई इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू जे, I is not equal to j, and 0 when I equal to j. We will construct matrix A, and when you will construct this matrix, आप देखोगे I equal to j means A11 A22. डायगनल एलिमेंट्स 0 हो जाएंगे, नॉन डायगनल एलिमेंट्स 1 हो जाएंगे, right? And then we have to multiply A with A. Constructing the matrix properly is important, right? So let us see. When you will multiply A with A, मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन आप सबको आती है. मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट रो विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो विद द फर्स्ट कॉलम, देन फर्स्ट रो विद द सेकेंड कॉलम. आपके एलिमेंट्स बनते जाएंगे, राइट? यू विल गेट ऑन मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड सॉल्विंग, यू गेट योर आइडेंटिटी वैल्यू एज 1 0 0 1. So a square is equal to I. Let us mark our answer. So answer to question number 3 is D part, which is 1001. Don't form this matrix as A. क्या होता है, students in a hurry make that A is identity matrix, but A is not identity matrix in the question. It has 0 on its diagonal, right? 0 as its diagonal elements. Now we come to question number 4. Again a 2 cross 2 matrix is given. We have to solve for the value of K, and it is given to us that K is a singular matrix. ये आपसे तभी सॉल्व होगा अगर आपको पता है कि what is a singular matrix. So singular matrix, we know it is a matrix whose determinant is equal to 0. Matrix, you have to learn this definition. Matrix A is singular if determinant A is 0. You get, find its determinant, simplify, you will get the value of K as plus minus 4. 2k square minus 32 will be equal to 0, and on simplifying you get value as plus minus 4. Here in this question k के ऊपर कोई कंडीशन नहीं गिवन, तो आपकी दोनों वैल्यूज़ आएंगी प्लस माइनस 4. अगर इन्होंने स्टेट किया होता कि k ग्रेटर देन 0 है या k फिर लेसर देन 0 है, then we would have opted for any other option, but here both the values will be considered. So that was all till question number 4 of your sample paper. I will take up next 5, 6, 7 questions in my next video. So stay connected. Till then, keep practicing. Do like, subscribe to follow my channel. See you in the next video with the next 4 questions of this sample paper. Till then, take care. Bye bye.